Good morning guys and welcome to another video. So I'm here in Kingston in the Almond Court Hotel. Look, the Pegasus behind us there. We spend the night because we have the Sigma 5K run slash walk. You know, that's a very big event in Kingston and my company has sponsored a group. Because it happens early in the morning, we had to spend the night in the hotel. So we're going to do it and then head back up the road. I'm looking forward to it. It's very early in the morning and we should be getting there soon to start the event. Sigma Run 24. Alright, so here we are. Sigma Run, the walk.
Contributions will help three very important health facilities in Jamaica. The R. Danny Williams School for the Deaf, the Savanna-la-Mar Hospital, and the National Chest Hospital. Very important institutions. 109 million.
Alright guys, I hope you can hear me. We're past the starting line and we're walking through Kingston in the Sigma Run. As you can see, it's a lot of people. What a good vibe. Just look at the amount of people. So what's really cool about these walks is the roads we're walking on is usually so busy, traffic, and now we're walking on those roads because they're all closed up. So it's a nice little experience. Junction where Popeyes and Krispy Kreme, but more importantly, that means across the road is Devon House. So yeah, walking in the middle of the road in front of Devon House. We're passing the big Fontana in Waterloo. That's it behind us. And we continue to walk. Alright, we're still walking, but I've come across a kind of major issue. Still connected in the front, so I have to do this kind of drag. Let's see how long it lasts. These things happen. Trying to make the best of it. I really hope it doesn't get further detached and it holds on. I'm guessing I'm not too far, you know, trying to make it out. Who would have known? All right, so this thing is almost taken off. I'm gonna have to take care of it in some way. All right, I'm gonna buy some glue and tape it up. Check it out. It's almost totally loose. All right, so check it out. I have a little bit of a solution. Thanks. You know, I stopped and I got some help on the side of the road. And I'm ready to go again. I used up all the glue. Literally, it was a little tube of like crazy glue. If you look at my hands, it has glue stuck in it. I feel I have a little bit of glue on my mustache, but hey, I'm now walking as normal. And just to be secure, I wrap some tape around it. Who said Jamaica not nice? How I get a help on the side of the road like that? Eh? Right, so this is the other shoe. And I don't have the tape or the glue because I used out all the glue.
I want to fix your shoes.
And this one has tape. Let me try to find the end of it. Where is it? So yeah, the glue on this will hold this, and I'll use the tape for the other one. So this one is good with the glue. Let me hope this holds it. Let's see. So for the longest while, I knew I had to buy some workout shoes and a light sneakers. I kept putting it off and I didn't have it, and I had these sneakers put on for about 6 years, and I just picked it up this morning to wear it. So yeah, no surprise that it's falling apart. All right, we just passed 4K marker, so 1 more kilometer to go. Alright, so I feel we're on this stretch because the end is by Emancipation Park. So we're close. It's right there. I see it. Finish line. It's done, it's done. I'm so glad that we did it. As I said, it's always interesting walking through these streets that are usually so busy with cars or whatnot, and we have an opportunity to come and just walk through. My shoes added a little extra layer of adventure to the whole thing. Sorry. But you all have to take it in stride, enjoy it, it's for a good cause, and have a good time. Enjoy. Anyway, what I'm going to do now is head back to the hotel. I'm not seeing any of my team because, of course, my shoes delayed me. I'm sure I am the last to cross the line. Anyway, I'm back by the hotel. That's it in the end there. We're gonna head in. I'm gonna get some breakfast. It is just like 9:30. Okay guys, I'm back at the hotel. I just had something to eat. So just time to take a bath and pack up. Now let's take a look at the shoes before we wrap up. That's the two shoes. Now this one that got glued, actually it hold on really well because it's like crazy glue. Of course it wasn't stuck very well. And this is the second one and it burst out. And I used the tape and tape it up as you saw. And this is gone, as you can see. Totally gone. I bought these shoes I bought these shoes years ago in Boston with my friend from Tunisia. You know, he really wanted to go to the New Balance outlet store and I got it really cheap. I used to wear it a lot and then after some years stop, and so it does have some sentimental value, but they're literally at the end of life. So what can I do? That's it. I'm ready to head back. That's the bus and we're going to be heading back to Montego Bay in about half an hour. Nice sunny day. It was a nice little morning walk. Of course, I had my little own side adventures, my side quest, but all in all, had a good time, made it safe. Okay? Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I always appreciate you. Please remember to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.